This interview is brought to you by NTT Data. NTT Data delivers on your mission by combining superior talent and over 55 years of government expertise with a comprehensive portfolio of technologies from cloud, security, and consulting to modernization and IT solutions. We're your ideal partner for reimagining your healthcare IT. Visit nttdataservices.com.
We're here at HIMSS with Dr. Kimberly McManus, Deputy CTO of Artificial Intelligence at the VA. So happy to be here with you and getting to chat.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
I know you have a lot of new priorities this year, especially with regards to AI. So what are some of your top priorities over the year?
Yeah, I think we're thinking about executing kind of 4 main priority areas. So the first one is AI governance. So how can we set up good systems where we can encourage innovation throughout VA while still having those guardrails to ensure that anything we're doing is trustworthy, safe, and secure. Another one is AI priority use cases. So what are those areas across VA where we see that AI has potential to add significant value in new ways, combined with what we see as VA priorities? And so how can we find those use cases and really accelerate and implement them? Third is infrastructure. So how can we set up our IT systems to allow access to the right new technology? How can we ensure that anything that we do create can be implemented and integrated into those clinical workflows or into the benefits processes? And then 4 is workforce. So we have our use cases, we have our governance, we have the infrastructure, and now we need to ensure that our workforce is in a state that it's ready to use AI and understand how really across the enterprise, because we expect it to really affect all of VA, and then also ensuring that we are upskilling and training folks to be real experts in technical disciplines within AI.
Awesome. Yep. I know there's a lot of moving parts that go into such an emerging technology, so it's really fascinating to hear how an organization as big as VA is kind of taking that. So how are you thinking about AI and emerging technologies and how they're going to impact the organization overall? Like, I guess walk me through your vision for that.
Yeah, I think definitely with any implementation of AI, we want to ensure that we're really focused on the mission and the end users. I think we're hearing a lot, that AI is being integrated into really every product. And so ensuring that we're starting with the right people and the right problems, and ensuring that AI is the right solution to those problems is how we're really focusing. But we do expect in the next few years it to take broadly across the enterprise. I think we see, and we've seen external to VA, a lot of productivity improvements, a lot of reduction in burnout. There's a lot of FDA-approved clinical devices that have shown to improve quality of care. So really percolating across the enterprise. We're excited for that.
Absolutely. So what are some takeaways that you are trying to get out of being here at HIMSS? I know you're going to be on a session to discuss more about this, but I guess being here at HIMSS and engaging with the overall community, what are some of the highlights that you're kind of eyeing there?
Yeah, I think the best part of HIMSS is it just brings together so many people from different places. So being able to interact with other health systems, with people developing directly this new innovative technology, a lot of knowledge sharing of what's working, what's not working, where should we invest, and how we should be partnering have been a lot of the great conversations over the past few days.
Awesome. What goals do you have for the next upcoming year, and what are you looking to really hone in on right off the bat as far as like short-term goals?
Yes, I think our main goals are those kind of 4 priority areas. Our top priority is AI governance and policy and ensuring that anything we do is safe and trustworthy. And so VHA has released a trustworthy AI framework back in July of 2023 that has 6 principles that serve for how we understand and assess AI use cases and if they meet our standards. And so I think starting with that, and then moving towards these other parts of what are the use cases we should be investing in. So that includes the AI tech sprints that VHA also runs around ambient dictation and better integration of clinical care documents, and then building up the workforce and infrastructure as well.
Awesome. I know it's an exciting time to be in AI, especially for healthcare, and what we're hearing here at HIMSS and how it's going to impact the entire landscape. So it's very exciting. Thank you for chatting with me about it.
Yeah, thank you for having me.